Hello, it's Dean with RVing with Minnie Winnie, and we've finally got hold of those vintage pictures of the RV. In fact, before we upgraded and did any of the painting, these are the original, how we got it from our friend who decided they no longer needed it anymore and gave us a great deal. But let's roll those old RV pictures. Well, there you go, a little bit of a look around before and after, or from then and now, in our Minnie Winnebago of 1999. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we hope you'll like and subscribe and continue to check us out as we update you on our current and ongoing renovations and our future excursions. Thanks a lot. See you soon.